What kind of a peace do I mean, and what kind of a peace do we seek?
If you're cruising in a Hyundai Elantra, looking for a mantra, I got you. Wanna be a star on K-Day, sipping Chandon on your payday. I spot you. You don't need no lead to shoot, don't need no sword to slay, don't need a big red button to detonate. Fuck a bomb, drop a single. Fuck a name, drop a needle. I'll be a killer when you can be Steve Miller and fly like an eagle. Fuck a ball, drop a hot mic, drop a beat, get it real tight. You can rule the world, get yourself a girl, ain't gotta be evil. Fuck a bomb, drop a single.
Peace in all times.
So, baby, if you're born with the short fuse, throw your black cat in the deep blue. Let it sink through, triple landmine of charisma. Let the pop hit you, radio militia. Put roses in your rifle, put a bullet on your head. Put your volume to 11, then hit the switch. Fuck a bomb, drop a single. Fuck a name, drop a needle. I'll be a killer when you can be Steve Miller and fly like an eagle. Fuck a ball, drop a hot mic, drop a beat, get it real tight. You can rule the world, get yourself a girl, ain't gotta be evil. Fuck a bomb, drop a single.
I realize the pursuit of peace is not as dramatic as the pursuit of war.
Talk about political speeches. Don't you make a political speech